too many greenies, girl.
What? Look, Oreo didn't get one.
Exactly. Too many.
Oreo.
Oreo doesn't deserve a greenie. What has Oreo done to deserve a
You gotta
greenie?
give them 3 separate piles so that way they know. That way Clinton doesn't go ahead and do that. I mean, you can go like this. Okay. You get.
He has to ask for the greenie.
Okay, Clinton, do you want a greenie?
He's not going to ask because you fed him too many greenies.
I did not feed him too many greenies.
I believe you fed him too many greenies.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
No.
Yes, you did. Now he's going to... Blackberry just got punked. Look at it. Oh, she's so sad.
Perfect.
Oh my god. He stole her greenie. You little bastard. You evil Clinton. Evil Clinton.
Okay, there. There she goes. What? Okay.
You see how he just steals them from the other two?
I do. That's why I gotta throw them.
No, watch.
Okay.
He's faster than them, so he'll get it first. See?
Okay, Oreo.
Oreo can't even see the one that's behind him.
Oreo.
Clinton sees the greenie you throw 30 feet ahead. Oreo can't even see the one that's right under his ass. Oh, look where Clinton's gonna steal it from. Psst. Look, a greenie. A greenie. A greenie.
Oreo.
Look, Clinton stole it.
Oh.
He stole the fucking
Oreo
greenie.
couldn't see the greenie.
Oreo's an idiot.
Okay. Oreo. Come.
Dominance. He's the most muscular too, so he can push them away.
Okay, here. We do the pity one. There.
Look, he's still gonna try to steal it out of his mouth, probably.
There, Oreo got one. There. Yay.
Look, he's about to try. Look. Oh! He's trying to take the crumbs away from him. Look, he has food, but he doesn't care. He has a full bowl of food over there.
I know.
Or you're spoiling their dinner. That's gonna go rotten. If they're gonna eat the greenies, they're gonna be full.
Wow. Blackberry and Oreo never got enough. Okay, there. Look, I have to like literally hand feed these.
Do you see why Clinton is the largest of them?
Yeah, I do. What? How come Blackberry not eating it?
She's afraid because she knows when she goes to take it, he's gonna tackle her. He's gonna tackle her to get the greenie. See? And she. I feel bad. Come here, Blackberry. It's okay, girl. It's okay. Usually when I would give treats, I'd have to put Clinton in the closet in order to give her one. Because he tackles them. He's an asshole.
Look at these guys.
Watch this.